one of the top DIY camper van tours I've ever seen. You have a great personality, you know your stuff. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel here in Mount Holly, New Jersey at the Preservation Fest. I just bumped into Jose and he has a really cool RAM Promaster DIY camper van that he's gonna give us a tour on. So join us.
Patrick, thank you for having me on your channel. I want to show you this RAM Promaster that I built. So follow me, join me on this little quick tour. I started here back in 2019 with my van, and I decided that I want to build full-time and live full-time in my van, and so I started building it little by little. So I started off with some running boards because I needed, the van was a little high, and then I added some suspension tooth on 3-inch lift, and also added some Bell-Sting suspension in the front. Put some off-road tires, BF Good Range KO2s, and some new Oz wheels that from Tire Rack. Also a push guard in the front and some LED lights for the outdoors, so when I'm out in the woods. Also upgraded my lights on top to LED, all blacked out. Also some tint on the windows and added some cameras back in 2019. This van didn't have any cameras, so I added some cameras on the side. Also added a awning, a Fiamma awning outside. Also added some exterior lighting for outdoors too as well. And I definitely needed a window, so I went with the C.R. Lawrence window so I can see on the side and enjoy the views. As you walk inside, you'll see I have some laminate flooring. Also on here to the left, you have a isotherm little quick fridge here, easy to get to. Mosquito net too, I added this mosquito net. Actually, this is from a garage door mosquito net, aftermarket from Walmart, cut it up and put it all together here. Here I got the swivel seats. Of course, you need the swivel seats for the front so you can enjoy this beautiful living room area, living space. Built this little storage space here for my shoes and a couple other things. As you walk in, you'll see my lagoon table. Of course, a lot of people have their lagoon table, enjoy some board games, as well as a nice bench for all your storage inside. And you have a little vent there for your heating, which goes all the way to the back. Have some books here to the side, a little TV here that swivels around, enjoy outside. You have your cabinetry for all your goodies. And also here we added little curtain, shower curtain, which works perfectly fine to block all the heat, as I have here on the ceiling, as well as 2 fans here. I have some lighting here too and my visors. I also upgraded my radio, front radio too, so I can listen to some tunes. Also my mirror. You can actually see here your cameras, and you can actually also go into the app and actually choose your Victron and monitor all your batteries as well. And I have all my outdoor lighting here too as well, so you can select all your outdoor lighting. So I show you around here in the front too. You can actually see your cameras. So if you're in front cabin, you can see 9 cameras being recorded 24/7. Well, coming around here, you see my galley. Got a true induction cooktop here with your fruit basket, your paper towel holder. Also the lighting on top, a couple pod lights and some decorative LED lights here. Also upgraded to a 12-volt Dometic AC unit, the RTX 2000, and it works pretty well. My dog sleeps in the front. He loves it. He's always looking out the front window. As you look here to the side, I got a little cubby here for a couple things, remotes and everything. Also have the Victron monitor here. So I can turn on my hot water pump, my water pump. I can turn on the relay for the fan for keep my electrical inverter on and keep it nice and cool. As we go, we have our cabinetry here and all my cooking stuff. And here I designed this for my wipies. My trash can goes here, a vacuum cleaner. Definitely need a vacuum cleaner. My cutting board's also here on the side, easy to get to. We have a 10-inch deep sink from Ravati, I believe it is, and with filtered water all in one. So I don't have no extra hoses around the countertop, so everything is in one with nice glass tiles. These are the only glass tiles I have. And if you feel like having a nice good drink of coffee, I also have a Keurig machine here for you. I also brew my own coffee. I grind it all up, but if you feel like being on the road, you have a nice Keurig machine. Also got a true air fryer oven as well, so I can warm up my pizza, do some muffins on the road. Love it. Gotta have one of them. So moving on to my shower, I have the self-cleaning, of course. A lot of VanLifers love this shower door. And then I decided to go all out on my shower, and I have the rain shower, waterfall, spa. And what I did here in the shower, I actually used to have a spigot here. I actually reversed it so I can heat up the water and it reverses back into my water tank and it heats up more water. So now I have 34 gallons of hot water and I can have a nice, beautiful shower in here. Of course, a composting toilet by Nature's Head. I mean, you can easily remove it. You have your Dometic paper toilet holder in there. And I actually, these are nice mirrors. They're just stick-ons and easy. You can't get cut. It's easy. Also, I can hang my towels here. If I'm at the beach, hang my stuff, my dirty clothes. So that's my shower. Hang some book bags in here. All right, moving on here. I have this van is equipped with a diesel Chinese heater, which has been working fine for me for over almost 4 years. So no need to change it. Working fine. Of course, you have your max fan controller and this button right here. This will actually control your cameras. So you can actually choose the camera that you want around and find out what's going on. Easy access. And if you move into the living room, the bedroom, you have my clothes up here. You have, of course, your max air fan. You have a smoke detector. Also another Victron monitor up top. Of course, everything is Bluetooth, but you can actually, from bed, it's a Murphy bed. This bed will actually flip down. You have a skylight. So while you're in bed, you can climb out the skylight, enjoy the weather, see the stars. So once the Murphy bed comes down to, actually, and another thing that I forgot to point out to you, I have a pantry here, so I can put all my cooking stuff here, and it's easy to get to right next to the kitchen. Down here, I actually have a step to the bed with some strong. That's where I keep all my pots and pans, drawer slides. So that way I can jump on top of the bed, or I use a little stepper. So no problem with that. Here I carry a lot of most of my electrical is under here. All battle-born batteries underneath. There's a little light there. I have 700 amp hours of battery. Victron components. We have a 3000 multi-plus Victron multi-charger, Servo GX. I have two Orion 12 DC to DC, 100 amp hours of a solar charger. My breaker box is back here too, my breaker panel for all your 12 volt and 120 volt, and all your disconnects for your solar and so forth. On this side, I carry a lot of the equipment and stuff that I need, but actually my hot water tank is actually down here, easy to access to. Just rotate that, get to the hot water tank and adjust it. While the bed is down and you're in bed nice and comfortable, you can enjoy all your cameras all the way around. I don't have any windows in the rear. And then you can actually flip it and you can watch your Netflix and YouTube and whatever you like. So let's bring the bed down so you can get an idea how this bed comes down. It's very easy. It's 2 latches, one here, one here. Very convenient, very easy. Slides down, boom. Bamboo bed, and you're ready to go. All right, show you there. Boom. And I'll go around this side. And there you go. You got his and her side. You got some USB chargers, some lighting here, little cubbies. And yes, this is my bed. This is where I sleep and get ready for work for the next day.
Jose, awesome tour. I can't even imagine how long it took you to build this van. This is pretty intense. This is like over the top for a DIY build.
Yes.
Maybe you could share some of that information with us.
So this van actually, it took me a while to build. I actually bought the van straight from the dealer, and I started built first of all, I built the bed first, and as time went by, I started after work. I will start building pieces and cabinets and this and electrical, and so it took me about till this day. A van life, we're never done. We're always improving, always adding things. I would say that this is not completely done. This is probably going to be one of my 3rd or 4th van, but this one here is the one that I lived the most. I've been here almost 3 years in this van, over 3 years now, and it's definitely my home. This is my office. This is my workspace. I carry tools here. I travel the country from Canada all the way to Key West. I meet amazing, beautiful people, and I encourage a lot of people to take some time and do this, actually, you know, so.
Well, now what's going to happen is people are going to watch this video.
Yeah.
And they're going to wonder, like, can you build me one just like this?
Yeah.
But you don't do this. This you built for you, but maybe down the road you might build some
Listen,
things.
I helped a lot of people in the community to help them build, as I have a couple of friends of mine. They, listen, Jose, can you help me with this, help me with that, the electrical, the cabinets, and I love helping the community. If they want to, you know, take care of me some sort of way, let's say some dinner or something like that, I will do that. But I love to help the community. I want people to enjoy life, enjoy nature. And listen, I love building stuff with my hands. It's a passion of mine. And I wouldn't mind doing this as a living, so.
Jose, one of the top DIY camper van tours I've ever seen. You have a great personality. You know your stuff. I'll make sure if you decide you want people to contact you, I'll put your contact information in the video description. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day. See you.